Hindi naman ako smelly, don't worry. Hindi pa nga ako nagdi-dinner eh. Tinatamad ako. So, okay. Ang dami kong sinabi. Mga bawal sa MNL48. Number 1. Bawal mag-reclam. Joke lang. Number 1. Bawal mag-jowa. So, I'm single, guys. Bawal maligo. Oy! Di rule breaker ako. Hindi na po kayo love band. Huh? What do you mean? Is that on the contract? Pwede ko ba sabihin yun? Hindi ko alam. Anyway, but yeah, that's the number 1 rule. Bawal magka-jowa. Bawal ano pa? Bawal, of course, bawal mag-do ng like parang bawal walwal ba yung tawag doon? Yung yeah. Bawal yan. I mean, pwede naman uminom. Like, kasi, di ba, legal age naman na ako. Pwede uminom, but, you know, hindi naman yung parang kailangan mo pa i-post. But, just so you know, hindi ako mahilig uminom. Like, I hate the taste of alcohol. I hate the smell of alcohol. Okay? So, just saying. What else? That, also, bawal bawal magpa-picture outside of events. Bawal. And then, bawal syempre maghawak kamay kasi may handshake event. So, ano pa bang bawal? Maraming bawal actually. And, mahirap siya, especially nung before. Especially nung before na super talagang peak ng MNL. Like, syempre, as a normal person, meron din akong mga like male friendships, like my class nila, lalo na pag nasa public kami. Because I don't want people to get the wrong idea. So, bawal mag-absent. Syempre, bawal. I mean, like, sa kahit saan namang, like, diba, just treat it as your work. So, for strict nun. Well, ano pa? Bawal. Madaming bawal. Bawal maging, bawal. Ano pa ba? Basta, bawal lahat. Bawal maging tamad. Oo naman, kahit saan naman work, bawal maging tamad. Bawal magkausap ng fans. Yun, bawal. Bawal, ano pa? Basta madami. Bawal. Kaya na po ba captain sa MNL? Secret! Let's just wait for any announcement if meron. So, ano ang bawal, guys? Bawal sexy na damit. Bawal kami. Alam mo ba dati, bawal kami lumabas na naka-shorts? Ewan ko lang, ano nangyari dun? Bawal din mag-post ng like, of course, naka-swimsuit or hindi ko lang alam ano nangyari doon. Bawal. Oo, di niyo alam yon. Ay, dati pa yun like, pre-pandemic pa. Pero I'm sure naman na like, naki-carry over naman yung rule na yun. Bawal rin mag-picture like with alak, ganon. Bawal. Ano pa? Yeah, of course. Madaming bawal. Pero bawal nga mag-respond sa mga fans. Iba kasi yung culture nila dun, guys. I mean, there's nothing bad naman with wearing swimsuit. Like, go girl, go. Pero kasi, di ba? So, kung gusto mo maging idol or MNL, pag-isipan mo mabuti. Kasi, pag-isipan mo talaga. Kasi hindi lang yan, parang it's not like, okay, idol ako, that's it. Kailangan mo talagang isa buhay. Hello. So, yun. Ba't ako nakaganyan? Yan. So, yung maraming bawal actually. Like, oo naman. Oh my God. Yeah, dati nagkaroon pa ng time na bawal pag-post ng gifts. Yun. Pero until now, hindi talaga ako nagko-communicate with fans. I mean, ito lang. But like, not direct message. Alam nyo yan. What else? What else? Think about. Basta yun, super daming bawal, guys. So, yun. Tapos dati nga, bawal kami mag-promote ng walang paalam, ganyan. Or like, mag-promote in general. Yun. Tapos hindi din pwede mag-talk about like sensitive topics, ganyan. So, diba, gets ba? Wala. Ano pa? Basta yun. That's a good question, actually. Where's this green light? Ah, ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Yun. Pero feeling ko, yung pinakamahirap na rule, oo, yung BMI din. Ugh. Ngayon, pwede na what? Oo, muntik na ako. Napatawagan ko dati, guys. Dahil dyan. Yeah, pwede lang mag-react. Emoji. Bawal ba kami sa junk food? Kailan nangyari yun? Or baka hindi pa ako MNL nun. I know you love me back, oh, I know you love me back. Yun. Bawal din maging healthy weight. Huwag natin kagasapan. Basta yun. Ano pa? Natulala na ako. Napagod na ako bigla. Wala na akong energy. It's 10 p.m. Magtanong kayo kasi para mas stimulate yung brain cells ko. Di pa ako kumakain kasi. Hindi ba kayo magagalit kasi hindi pa ako kumakain? Ay, yeah, bawal. Hello, cutie. Hello. Feeling! Ay, sorry. Uy, hindi. Dapat nonchalant na pala ako ngayon. Kailan balik mo Thailand? Ay, hindi ko alam, guys. Oh my God, mag-ipon muna tayo. Ayo. Sagutan niyo po aside. Ay, bawal yun. Hindi din kayo kumain? Oo. Bawal. At magalit kayo kasi di ako kumakain. Well, tinatamad ako Hindi kasi Jamie kapag hindi ka OA. OA ba ako? No naman. Nonchalant kaya ako. I wanna drink water. Ano pa? Ang lamig ngayon kaya naka-electric fan lang ako. Pag may magpapa-request ng song, mag-drop dapat ng gift. Kumain ka na. Yummy. I love water. Okay, so what's your question? Ay, guys, look at my nails. I haven't showed you guys, but I got my nails done like 2 weeks ago, I think. Nag-date kami ng self ko. Pupunta ka sa concert ng Les Seraphim? No, but kung bibigyan niyo ako ng ticket, why not, Pookie? Hoy, wait, next song. Ang ganda pa. Of course! So pretty, no? Hindi pa natatanggal siya. So, huwag niyong batiin, please. Just say hi! Oh my God! Like, you know what? It's super natutuwa ako kapag like, one time nasa school ako and then random lang, I was with my friends And then someone went up to me and then he said, "Oh my god!" I'm like, "Yo!" And then he's like, "Are you Jamie from 104?" I'm like, "Yeah, bestie!" So it's fine. Go like, "Oh my god, you're my bestie." Yeah. So just go. Ay, gumalaw. Boundaries. Pero yun, hi lang kayo sa akin, guys. Like, pwede naman na mag-hi. Pwede naman lumapit. Parang wala naman akong virus, di ba? Wala naman akong virus. Hello. Ganon. Anong fave mo na suot na earrings? The thing is, I don't like wearing earrings. As you can see, I only have 2 piercings and I barely wear earrings kasi my ears are kinda sensitive sa earrings. So, I can't wear earrings na hindi totoo yung material niya. Like, my ear would like flare up and be super duper itchy. Like, that's why I'd rather not. So, lahat ng jewelry ko as much as possible yung not like fake. Cause like, my skin will not like it. Especially here and here. Super magnangati talaga siya. And I'm like the worst, like, jewelry person ever, because like I don't like taking it off at the end of the day because I there's a big chance I will lose it. So this, andito lang siya everyday. Kahit naliligo ako, yun lang pala. Yun, wala akong earrings kasi hindi talaga slay. Hi te, hello. Kayo rin ba nagme-makeup ng sarili niyo and nag-aayos? Or do you have staff for it? Yes! Kami lang ang nagme-makeup and nag-aayos ng hair namin for the most part. But sometimes though, for the hair, they send in the Nora Salon staff to come and help us with our hair. Like, nung Tugatog, nung T-Popcon, like important events, like MV shoots. But like, mostly, every day, kami lang talaga. So, talagang na-training talaga ako mag-makeup. Like, dati pa naman ako mahilig mag-makeup, but like, you know, buy makeup. Actually, where is my lip gloss? I wanna wear lip gloss like right now. Yeah. And ngayon, 2025, nagbabago na ako ng ugali, guys. Nagiging more maalaga na ako sa sarili ko, especially sa skin ko and sa hair ko and sa hands. Sa skin ko especially. Where's my lip gloss, bro? Ay, ito pala. Tama. Ito. My lip gloss. Yun. Oh my God. Ang layo ng topic natin. No? So, yun. And sa hair din, di ako magaling mag-hair. Natural bang makapal yung kilay mo? Well, I wouldn't say makapal like Andrea Brillantes, ganun. What the heck? Ang liwanag. Ayoko nang maliwanag. So, naka-makeup ako ngayon kasi galing akong school, tapos diretso ako sa gym after. So, hindi ko pa nabubura. But like, kanina pa yung mga 10 a.m. So, my God, dyan pa din siya, guys. So, yeah. Pero yung kilay ko naturally, hindi siya ganito. Very sabog yung kilay ko. Wala siyang shape. So, kailangan ko siyang para magkaroon ng ganitong shape kasi hindi talaga maganda yung shape ng kilay ko. Sa MNL48, yun sa tingin mo yung pinakamagaling mag-makeup? Ako. Kasi nagta-transform ako pag naka-makeup ako. Joke lang. I don't know actually. I'd say lahat kami. Because we get by. Pabulong ng brand. I got you, bestie. Actually, katabi ko yung makeup ko right now because I get ready every single day. So, for my eyebrows, I use this. This one is from Issy. It's really cheap lang. Issy. So, pencil, first step. And then, the magic ingredient here is this one. This one is from Heroine Make, and then Baliw. Heavy rotation from Japan. So, I think that's the secret kung bakit di gumagalaw yung eyebrows ko. Like, nag-gym na ako nito, nag-treadmill ako 1 hour. At ganyan yung itsura ng aking lunsok. I feel bad for all of you. Imagine ikaw na nga nag-hair and makeup tapos magpo-perform ka pa. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Well, to be fair, I enjoy putting on makeup, so it's never been a chore for me. Like, no offense, but I don't really like it when other people do my makeup, or maybe it's just that I haven't found the perfect makeup artist yet. But I don't like it when other people do my makeup. It's just not giving. But I really prefer doing my own makeup. But sa hair, yeah, that's something that I'm not really good at. But I get by. But like, it's not that I'm good at it. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, that's true. So, kung gusto niyo akong regaluhan ng makeup, thank you very much. Actually, what if, like, liitan ko tong... Masyado bang madilim? Ganto? What if ganto? Wala feeling. Or parang ang liwanag masyado. Like, ako yung nasisilap. Ganto. No, that's kinda like... Ito na nga lang. Okay. So, ano yung mga tanong kanina? I'm sorry. Sinong BFF ko sa MNL48? Si Cole! Kanina lang, magkachikahan kami. Like, before this, kachikahan ko siya. Diba? Everyday kami nagkichikahan. Hindi man everyday, pero one weekend. Kasi busy din siya eh. What else? Yeah, Cole, she's my best friend forever. I really like this lighting. Yeah, I saw. Anong DTI? Dress to Impress. I haven't... Hindi pa ako nakakapag-play ng Dress to Impress. Like... So... Ayun. Ano bang kwento ko sa inyo, guys? Nag-iisip ako. Wala naman ako masyadong life update. Life update, di pa ako kumakain. Musta exam? Oh my God, don't ask that. Eme. Yeah, I've met them. The 4th gen. Kumusta exams? God, everyone's failing their exams. Hindi mo ba namimiss mag-PE? Namimiss ko mag-PE. Super. Like, I'd rather do PE than chemistry. Like, please, get me out of chemistry. I'm doing so bad at chemistry. I think everyone is. I forgot to do something kanina. Oh. Okay, sa Monday na lang. Anyways, so magtanong lang kayo, guys, and send ng gifts because I would greatly appreciate gifts. No. Di naman deadline. So, don't worry. So, yun. Just drop your questions. It's okay. I can do it on Monday. Hindi naman siya deadline. I just forgot to do it kanina. Naiyak ako sa... Me too. I was crying alone here. Nipag chemistry. Yeah. Super lala ng chemistry. If you could master any skill instantly, what would it be? Skill? What? I don't know. Ang dami. Uy, oo. Nagchat-chat kami nun ni Ate Sheki. Yes, pwede kaming mamili ng PE. Although, dito sa DLSU, meron kaming 3 PE. Ay, 4. No, 4. Jeff 12, GE Dance, GE Sport, GE Teams. So, sa bawat isa, may special, like, let's say, Jeff 12, so parang Zumba, GE Dance, so we dance BTS something. I heard ngayon, Bini daw yung dinadance nila. And then, for GE Sport, I had table tennis. And then for GE Teams, I had basketball. I had basketball. Yeah, I really wanted to take pickleball, but then ubus na yung slot. Well, we have to take all 4, but it depends sa sport. I mean, like sa subject, like what I said. But if pwede, I would wanna take another PE because PE is so fun. Respect or loyalty? Respect, because I think loyalty comes with respect. Because if you have respect for someone, edi, diba, you wouldn't dare to do anything na hindi maganda, or you would know na makakasakit. Are you demure? Am I demure, guys? You guys answer that. Am I demure? Parang hindi, pa-demure lang. You get know the pain and traveling far away. You left me with the pain. Learned new recipes. The thing is, I haven't cooked yet kasi nasira yung cooker ko. I have to buy a new one. Song na gusto niyo pong isente. You know what it is, guys. And see. I love this song. Nagmamatcha ka pa din ba? That's the thing. Like, ang tagal kong hindi na nakatira dito sa Manila because like Christmas break and I was in Korea and then everything. Can I play the game? Oh my god, I love this song! Okay, so anyway, matcha. Ang tagal kong hindi nakabili ng milk. I was gonna buy, but then, sabi nung ate, down po yung Gcash. I'm like, okay, never mind. So, yung kakabili ko lang ng milk last week. I can make matcha right now, but like, should I make matcha? I haven't even eaten. Damn. So, yun. Yun. I have to buy a new automatic frying pan. Ang kate na ilong ko. Sito na green? Hindi ko pa natitikman yung sito na green. It's always yellow or red. Baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could. Grabe naman yung pasabog. Boogs. Aning okay na to? I'm sorry, I'm like so out of the loop. My god, my nose is like itchy. I feel like I need to make palinis my aircon. Because it's, my nose is... Sorry, sinipunan ko kayo. Okay lang ba yung lighting or should I like... Kasi pag ganito parang weird. Allergic. Parang weird. So, I'll just like... Ayan na si Small Dub, guys. End the live. Joke lang. Mas okay ba? I feel like mas okay yung ganyan. Parang mysterious. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. Only the... Sino nag-gift? Ay, wala. Mag-gift nga kayo. Inutusan.
Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I feel.
Playlist reveal. Well, marami akong playlist, but like, nilalagay ko lang like based on what I feel, ganon. So ngayon, ito yung playlist ko. Kasi chill-chill lang. Meron akong MNL48. I mean like, meron akong public Spotify. Like, sinend ko siya sa broadcast channel ko, pero hindi ko na siya nabukas. But ngayon, ang trip ko is SZA, Daniel Caesar. What else? Who else? Let me check actually. Taylor Swift.
Take some time.
Keshi. Jemmy, nakakain ka na ng balot? No. No. I don't eat balot and I don't think I'll ever eat balot.
Winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love it? I love this song! Playlist reveal. Okay, so the songs in my playlist right now: Guilty as Sin, The Alchemy, BMF, Soft Spot, Hold Me Down, Get You, blah blah blah. No, I don't like balut. But masarap daw. My kapatid, she eats balut, but I don't. Like, I don't know. I don't like. Ano yun? Pumapalakpak bigla. Anyway, thank you. Penoy. What's that?
This feels like somewhere where you make me feel so alive. Just be my lover.
Life goal? I didn't know I had a goal. Itlog lang? What? Penoy hard-boiled duck egg. What? Edi hard-boiled egg. So, but yeah, I don't think I've tried Penoy. What? I eat yung regular egg. Okay. Yun lang. Yes, pero walang chick. Me! I'm the chick.
Tina, baby.
Oh my god, I love this. What? Ayan, isi-screenshot na. I was caught off guard, Miss Small Dub. Oh my god. I forgot to do uni vlogs. You know what? Every week I'm in school, I'm always like, oh, dapat isa pa, Small Dub. Oh my god, ang bilis ko ma-distract. Wait, I was gonna do uni vlogs. Like, I was really planning to do it. Like, every week, I'm like, okay, next week. And then I end up forgetting. I'm so sorry. But, maybe. Yeah, oo nga, I miss. Cause like, I feel like a lot of you guys like my vlogs. Oh yeah, ay namin kung utang ko sa inyo, guys. I'm so sorry. My Korea vlog is like, mag-iisa pa ako. Wait, mag-ready ako. Galingan mo, Small Dub. But yeah, I feel like a lot of you guys really like my vlogs. So I feel like I'm gonna have to do more of those. So thank you. Ano dapat post? Wait. Oh! Sorry. Yeah, I will. One of these days. Puro ko ganyan, no? Gina-utilize ko yung sub-only... What do you call that? Sub-only... threads. Wala namang nagre-reply. Ano ba yan mga subscriber ko? Hindi wag. Eme. Uy! Ba't nawala yung filter? Huh? FP ni Allen? What the heck? Bakit ang bilis ng kamay mo? Really? I didn't know that. Thank you so much. Okay, Allen. Okay, Allen. Pwede ba yung maganda ako, yung nakasmile? Please. Bakit ang bibilis ng mga hands nyo? I like this song. Ayan na, maganda na. Oh yeah. Thanks, guys. What would be your first job out of college? I don't know. Might be going to med, so... Med student. Well, technically, I already have a job, so... Mag-board exam ka ba? Yeah. Med school vlog. Wait! Hindi pa nga ako natatapos na mag-college eh. Wait! Okay. Okay, so yun. Ba't ako tumatawa mag-isa? Guard. Nag-iisip ako ng sasabihin. Jamie, RPM, MD, get well soon. Funny yun na, in fair. The thing is, I'm a DOST scholar, so I gotta work. Like, I have to do my return service. Yeah, I think MNL Baish, it's required. Like, intern, a clerkship, something. Actually, like, even in college, we're required to do practicum. So, I'm gonna do my practicum on my last term. So, I can really focus on it. So, Valentina ulit. Wait. Ilan yung return service? I don't know actually. 4? I don't know. Basta. Thank you, Small Dove, sa TGIF. Oo nga, Friday pala today. Damn. Sheesh. What a Friday. Yeah, pwede naman yata. Magbablog ka po ba sa intern? Baby. Well, baka... Of course, patient confidentiality. Oh, pwede pala palitan yung lights ng mic ko. Oh my god, I like this song. Okay, ano pa tanong nyo? Nagalit. Wait, I don't like blue. Intern ka na. Hindi pa. Oh my god. Kailangan ko pa mag-thesis. I mean, pwede ko naman isabay, pero I'd rather not. Like, I wanna live. Gusto ko pa mabuhay, guys. Wait, I'm trying to find the... Looks weird. Ayaw na mapalit yung ilaw. Oh! 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 Eh? What did I do, bro? Oh, I turned it off. What did I do? Bro, ba't nawala yung light, bro? Oh, there you go. Ano ba to? Ano ba ito mapalitan? Wait, sorry. Na-distract ako. change it? Ay, ito pala! Ah. Tama ba? Ay, oo, tama. Ano magandang color? So ugly, bro. No. Ang likot mo. My God, dapat pala hindi ako nagaganon. What if my classmates see this? Have you tried mag-club? Anong club? English club. English club. Not my thing. Yeah, 4th year na ako, guys. Is this nice? Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Alin? Is this okay? Or this? Ay, pangit. Mukhang alien. Hi. Do you really like me? Nahihilo na siguro yung mga viewers ko. Kaya na lang. Kisay, alam po ba talaga kayo? Oh my God, don't I look like I came from a science high school? Yeah, I know, guys. I'm dumb. I'm dumb na. Humbled. College humbling experience. I don't care anymore. Like, oh my God, basta lang makagraduate. If ever, wala ka sa MNL, would you try clubbing? No. I mean, no. No, I wouldn't try kasi it's like going once and then not doing it again, or like doing it again if you like it. Maybe I would try, but not actively. Like I would try like for the record lang, if someone like my friends, kasi 'di ba yung uso like birthday party ganyan. But like not, 'di ba? Parang not out of my free will. And it's not my thing. I don't like alcohol. I don't like the smell. I don't like the taste. So I don't like tight spaces. I don't like loud music. So, yeah. Ano yung equivalent ng clubbing para kay Jamie? Going on TikTok for 5 hours. I don't know, maybe. What do I do? I feel like concerts. Something similar. Concerts. Hindi ka ba naku-curious? Of course, naku-curious ako. But like, at the end of the day, it's like, you're gonna spend a lot of money and then like, I don't even like drinking in the first place. Pero meron kaya like sa like clubbing, tas yung inumin like Coke or matcha, ganun. Ano. But like, I don't like drinking in general, so not really. Yeah. I don't like alcohol. I wanna sneeze. Wala akong bisyo, guys. Ang bisyo ko lang is ikaw. Ang bisyo ko lang is mag-collect ng mga stuff na hindi ko naman kailangan, like Romy and my photo cards. May bago na naman ako photo cards, guys. Hindi na siya natigil. No, I won't watch. Umibig. Ay, ayoko nga. Eme. Ayoko nga. Eme. I bisyo. Yeah, wala. Bisyo matulog. Yeah. If only I had less responsibilities, I would sleep at 11 or 10 p.m. every day. Super underrated. Super underrated ng pwede kang matulog ng maaga. Maaga as in 10 p.m. Like, that's my dream in life. To sleep at 10 p.m. You dressed up just a little and I'm like, magka-crush. Yeah, I love having crushes. Cause it's so fun. Like, my God. Diba? But yun lang. Hanggang dun lang. Stop. That's it. Okay?
So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe she's mine. Now all I see is you.
Anong gusto niyong song cover ko? Oh, yan na naman siya, guys. Yeah, Happy Crush lang. I don't like this slide. Nakalimutan ko. Saan mabasa niya? Ayan. Guys. Oh, ay, nakita ko pala kung ilang diamond. Okay, let's do 500 diamond gold. I don't even know what these diamonds are equivalent here. I can't believe. Can you sing Beautiful by NCT? No. No!
Is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger.
May happy crush po bang umabot ng... Grabe naman yung 6 years, te. Happy crush mga 1 day lang. 1 day. Grabe, who hurt you? Oh my God. Ang haba na ng buhok ko. I'm so happy. Kapahaba talaga ako ng hair. Si Carson. Oh, I know that movie. I watched that. I'm so annoyed. Wait. I'm sorry. Because yung light, di ko makuha. Anyway. What else? Pinaka-talking stage ka na ba? Sarili ko po. I talk to myself every day. I talk to myself every day. Yeah, when people ask me, sinong kausap mo ngayon? Sarili ko lang. Yeah, she crazy like that. Oh my God. Wasn't that funny? Kala ko tatanungin ni Al, after graduating, would you find a jowa agad? Like, whoa! Bestie! Job pala. Job. Would you find a job or rest for a couple of months? Well, I haven't graduated yet, but I already have a job. So what's rest? I don't believe in rest. Hindi na si Jemin. Well, Jemin is not my talking stage. He's my husband. Husband stage. Yan, natatawa na siya mag-isa, guys. May naalala lang ako funny. Wait, I'm sorry about kay Jemin. With a white jacket and a thick accent. Do you like my playlist? Basic music. I keep on touching my hair. Mga psychology talaga. Yeah. What? When I tell people I'm a psych major, lahat sila parang, hindi. Gusto ko lang mag-live. Kala mo live-in sila ni Jemin eh. She's sleeping. Small dog! Don't booking me. Di ba kayo nagtataka? Bakit ako pumunta sa Korea bigla? Feeling! Uy, baka mapanood doon ng mga kakilala ko tapos ma-weirdan sila sa akin. See, ayan. Bakit ako nag-lip gloss? It's like 11. Hello! Guard. Uy, seryoso na kasi. Dapat kasi kunyari nonchalant. Hindi bagay. Yeah. Am I weird? 잠시만요. Sobrang late na. That's me every day. Are you excited? Who isn't? Why do I look weird? I look weird, wait. Kerry lang yan. Oo nga. Yeah, I'm weird. No, it's my free will, guys. Like, I'm literally bored. It's a Friday night and I'm here at home. I'm literally so bored. No, not really bored, but like, I have nothing better to do. Might as well go live and talk to y'all. Cause like, you know, parang hindi ko nakausap yung sarili ko or something, like, you know. Diba? Free will. I like Rosé's new album. Have you listened? Have you listened to it? Free Meal. Kasi feeling ko, you know what? Kailangan kong mag-live more often. Cause like, hindi na ako nagsasalita. Like, non-verbal ako everyday. So, nakakapagsalita lang ako. Syempre, alam mo, pagkasama ko yung mga friends ko, which is like, not the whole day. So, I'm like always, swear, you'll never do again. Ano yung ginawa ko before na you swear you'll never do again? Yung ride sa Ocean Park sa Hong Kong, akala ko katapusan ko na. I'm not exaggerating. Akala ko katapusan ko na, guys. I love scary things. I love extreme rides. I love it. But the one in Hong Kong, Ocean Park, oh my God. I'm telling you, everyone beside me, they were like, and I was screaming my lungs out because it was so scary. Okay, so like, it's like you get on the ride and then it takes you up in the air and then it like, parang pabilog and then it like literally does that. I don't know what's it called, but like, literally, I would never do that again. Cause, alam mo yung feeling na sa Erica, tapos biglang nakabaliktad ka na, tapos ano, parang pababa pa. So, di ba, kunyari like, ito yung tao, ito yung ulo, ito yung katawan. So, biglang gano'n, hindi siya bagsak eh. Parang, hindi siya drop. Parang siyang, iniikot-ikot ka niya literal. Gano'n. I don't know what's it called, but it's in Ocean Park in Hong Kong. Diba? So, ganun pala feeling na ano, dalhin sa taas, tapos iwan ka lang sa ere, diba? Sakit pala. May, ang maraming ano. Okay, parang fake. Di ako bagay maghugot kasi parang hindi bagay. Basta super, ano talaga nun, like, sigaw ako ng sigaw. Like, hindi ko na talaga ulitin yun in my life. I can do Vikings, I can do roller coaster, but not that ride. Tapos the thing is, diba, naka-ano, ay, ito pala. Diba? Like, meron siyang harness na bakal. And the thing is, it's kinda maluwag. Like, not maluwag-luwag, but it's sturdy. But then, maliit kasi yung frame ko compared to other people. So, like, there's a harness. So, may space between my body and the harness. So, every time, of course, gravity, every time nagaganyan siya, like, literal 90 degrees ka up in the air, my body would like naturally like fall, and the only thing stopping from me falling to my death is that freaking harness, bro. So like, imagine, it's so scary, I swear to God. I know, yeah, like literally that was the only thing keeping me from like falling to the ground. So yun. Yeah. Skydive isn't that expensive, but gosh, I think that's scary. I think it's scary, but why not? Nagsisi ka ba? No naman, because at least alam ko na hindi ko na siya gagawin ulit. That's the thing with mistakes, or not, it's not a mistake, but that's the thing with, you know, things that you won't do again. At least you tried it and you're not left, oh yeah, and you're not left wondering, what if I did this, what if I did that, right? Yeah. Yeah. So while you're young, try the rides. Naalala ko yung crush ko. Bakit ako nag-cringe? Next song. Joke lang. next the song. I'll next it, okay? Oh! What is this song? Sige, mag-relapse kayo. Ba't mo biglang ganun yung song? Do you know this song?
Make sure nobody sees you leave. Hood over your head, keep your eyes down.
Anong series pinapanood mo lately? Yung series po ni Organic Chemistry Tutor. Okay, thank you for that. May bago na akong activity later after this live. Okay, so I'm gonna shower and then watch Netflix. Yippee! I haven't eaten yet, but I don't wanna eat. Kasi hindi nyo ko rin na-remind na kumain. So, hindi ako kukain. Baliw. Ayan na, may umiyak na. Hindi ko alam kung bakit bigla yan lumitaw.
A million little times.
I love this song. I love Taylor Swift's music. Guys, remind nyo siya. Sino? Meron ka bang na-experience sa isang tao na napasabi ka ng, yep, I was right about you? Yeah. Ako kasi, I don't know, pero like, I feel like malakas yung kutob ko. Like, sa mga tao. Like, if the vibes are off. Yeah. And then when they actually do something wrong, I told you. Ito na guys.
Don't call me baby. Look at this godforsaken mess that you made me.
JB, ito na yung pineapple pizza. Ew.
I can't see you with anyone else.
Di ako broken guys ah.
Don't call me kid. Don't call me baby.
You trust your gut most of the time?
Fool that you made me.
Well, yeah, but like, I would like to see the facts also. But you know, there's nothing wrong with trusting your gut. And I have a lot of instances na I trusted my gut and it always turned out right.
Myself. A million little times.
Isa pa ba, Allen? One more round of illicit affairs. Next na. Ay, ito, maganda to. Guys, you know what time it is.
I don't know what to say to you. There's nothing I can do. So we said your point of views. We both said this was just physical.
Time na para mag-relapse kayo, guys. It's 11 p.m. It's I miss you time.
You asked to see me once again at 10:30. Got nervous so I got faded. Made things complicated. I'm sorry for those
Broken ba to? Ikaw? My back hurts, bro. Ow. 11 o'clock no!
I like you, like you, like you. Sorry I never meant to. But we kidding, it wasn't like I had to.
Walang mag-move on. Huy! Anong move on? Who hurt you? Mag-move on na kayo, guys. My God. Dami-dami pa dyan. Diba? Isipin nyo yun, if you're hung up over someone and sila, wala na silang pake sa'yo, who lost? Exactly. Like, imagine, you're like, and then what they're doing is like, going on TikTok, haha, or like being with another person already. So like, move on! Galit! Move on! Ba't lumiwanag bigla? Diba? Kumonti yung live viewers. Kasi may umiyak na.
Didn't think you'd be the stress galore. I just wanted you there. With my hands in my hair, but I crave more. No heart and soul.
Patama po more kay Allen. Ay, mali. Kasi guys, imagine nyo na lang. Imagine. Okay lang naman masaktan. Like, kunyari, nag-break kayo. Oh my God, break kami. 1 week. Okay, 1 week. Okay, extension. 1 week maximum. Next week, get over it. Stand up, bestie. You're better than that. At malumilinaw. Imagine mo kasi. Iyak ka. Tapos sila, wala silang pake sa'yo. Like, ano sila sa bahay, masaya. Tapos ikaw umiiyak. Like, hindi ba parang unfair yun? Or hindi ba parang low-key, parang, bestie, pick yourself up. Diba? Maghanap ka ng bago. Joke lang. Yeah, madaling sabihin. But, madaling sabihin. Pero you have to really train your brain. Hindi po ako red flag. No one said you are, bestie.
I like you, like you, like you. Sorry, I never meant to.
But you know, para sa mga nag-move on dyan, feel your feelings. Be sad about it. Cry about it. Yap about it to your friends. Go. And then stop. One day, you'll wake up and decide na, okay, this is not for me anymore. Bye. Don't give them your energy. They don't deserve it. Because what you're doing is you're giving away your energy. And you don't want that, bestie. Good night. Diba? Okay, what's the next song? Ay, bakit glue song? O, ayan. O, glue song naman daw.
I've never known someone like you. Think of you. Don't forget to kiss me, or else you'll have to miss me.
Bakit Versace on the front? Oh my God, it's 10 p.m. It's 11 p.m. now. Yeah, I love being my friend's therapist. I don't know, but like, a person told me na, parang parang pag ako daw yung kausap nila, parang madali sila makapag-open up. Like, I feel like as an INFJ, it's like people naturally, like opening up to me. Is that true, guys? Wait, actually, Cole replied. Like, I'm gonna reply to Cole really quick kasi nagpag-chat kami kanina, tapos naputol yung usapan namin. Where is our convo? Gusto niyo mo mag-open up sa akin? Tagal mag-load ng Messenger. Ayan.
I've never known someone like you.
Wait, nag-chismis ako kay Cole. Okay, nakapag-reply na ako kay Cole. Ba't naman ganyan yung kanta? Oh, I like this song. 11-11. Naniniwala ba kayo sa 11-11? 11-11.
Di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Hindi pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda pag tayo sa
Oh, sige.
maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maiksa.
Seryoso na guys, seryoso na. Lock in, lock in.
Trapped in this fairy tale.
No. If may crush kang taken, is it wise to say what you feel? No. I don't know, I can never see myself na magka-crush sa tao na alam kong taken. Diba? Like, back off. 11-11, magkaroon na ako ng... So, wala kang crush, Allen? But for me, it's a no. Dapat hindi masaya yung music. Dapat 11, 12. Dapat yung mga sad song. Ito. Bakit to nasad? Di ko na to. Wala, te. Weh. Naka-fast forward? No.
Took a long vacation on makeup, just Jay-Z, you were ballsy. Now we beefing, now we butt naked at the MGM. Wasted, screaming fuck that, blowing on, but I'm anything. Hurry now, baby, stick it in for the memories. Get to
Okay, magtanong lang kayo dyan guys. I'm just like here. Mga 11:30 siguro, mag-stop na ako. Mag-stop na ako para makapag-me time na ako. Netflix. Ano kayo magandang panoorin?
Only like myself when I'm with you.
Hello? Nabaliw. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, nababaliw na ako eh. Yeah, masaya mag-sad girl. Kahit di ka naman sad, you know, it's so fun. Naniniwala ka ba sa I can fix him? Yeah! Of course! But, here's the thing, if the person doesn't wanna be fixed, it's hopeless. Bakit naman sad songs, Mare? Why not, Mare? My God. I'm not sad. I just like SZA. Study group pinapanood ko ngayon, ang pogi. Ay, sino yan?
Now I'm stuck dealing with a deadbeat. If I'm real, I deserve it. If I was you, I wouldn't take me back.
SZA. But yeah, comeback. Una pa yata kayo mag-comeback ng mga ex nyo kaysa sa amin, Sa amin, nila. Joke lang. Pero let's see. I mean, if it comes, edi it comes. If not, bakit? Wait lang tayong lahat. Pati ako nag-wait din ako. No, I don't know what's that. Sobrang out of the loop na talaga ako sa mga stuff. Oh my God, na-excite ako mag-Netflix. Wait, na-excite ako. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-Netflix.
Nobody gets me, you do.
Guys, may tanong ako sa inyo. Naniniwala ba kayo sa mga zodiac signs?
Nobody gets me, you do.
Ayoko yan. Sige, ito na lang. Naniniwala ba kayo sa zodiac signs? Guess my zodiac. Guess my zodiac. Guess my zodiac!
His love you die for. His love you die for.
If you know the answer, don't say it. Let's let people guess.
Heart intangible. slips away faster than dandelion fluff in the sunlight. And he's got swirls of passion in his eyes.
I'm not a Leo.
Uncovering the dreams he dreams at night.
Anong lip tint? Di ko yung zodiac.
He tries to hide, I can see right through.
My lips is just this one. Gemini.
His voice you'd melt for. He says my name like I'd fade away somehow if he's too loud.
No! Wala pang nakakatama. My God, don't I look like my zodiac? Yes, that's correct. Sana hindi ka nag-search. Because I'm a Scorpio.
I read him like a book and he's a clueless little kid. Doesn't know that I'd stop time and space just to make him smile. Make him smile.
Mukha ba ako Scorpio? Yeah. Oo kaya. Basta yun, I'm a Scorpio. So, what do you guys think about Scorpios? Because I'm a Scorpio. Talaga? Hello! Oh my God. Ang saya ng experiment kanina. Naloka ako talaga so much. Naniniwala ka ba sa mga zodiac sign? Yeah. I don't know, I'm crazy. But, yeah, why not, diba? Guide lang naman yan eh. But sometimes kasi sobrang accurate. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anong year mo na sa college? I'm 4th year. Yeah, Gemini sa Leo. Same sa MBTI. Well, MBTI kasi, it's by, like, you know, MBTI, I am an INFJ.
Captivated by a boy who thinks love's overrated.
I'm thinking. Yuta and Win-Win, yeah.
It baffles me too.
So, what do you think about Scorpios? Like, they say kasi, wala.
Say what we want. Say what we feel.
Percent error. Wala pa. Hindi pa namin natatapos. Kasi di ba wala pa. Di pa namin tapos. Pero tinapos namin hanggang dun sa isang activity. Yung may 1 meter, 7.75, ganun. Blood type. I don't know. It's not really kasi here.
Mistakes, I can hear your heart from across the room, pulsing through my veins. I know you need this too. Lie to me all you please, I can see.
Bakit kami hawak na ballpen? Because I need to fidget with something. If not, 11:20 na guys. 11:20 na. 11:30, magbabaybay na ako. Crush reveal. Hello! Hello! Bali. Sarili ko eh. Yan na yung classmates ko guys. Sabi ko na. Crush ko, si Andres Mulak. So pogi. Ganun yung mga type ko. Mga pogi. You know what? The other day, I saw Robin. Is it Robin Angeles? Do you know that guy? I saw him the other day. Tapos, oh, he's so cute. Nahiya ako. So, ayun. I didn't do anything. The guy with the red hair. This is not my playlist, I think. But I like this song also. Hi, Potato Marlon! So, 11:30, I will end the live. Because I'm gonna Netflix.
It's getting deeper. Machine back to the middle.
I dropped my pen.
I don't know what we've done.
Ano currently pinapanood ko? Lecture vids ko po sa chem and sa physics. Seryoso, wala akong pinapanood ngayon, guys. Kasi wala akong time. So, wala talaga. But today, I will watch Netflix. I feel like I wanna watch something true crime. Oh my God, wala naman akong assignment. Oh. Wala. Good evening. Oh.
I gotta see my meaning of it. I don't know what we got.
I miss Korea. I wanna go back. Volleyball game, don't talk about it. We lost. We lost in 5 sets, bro. It was so bad. I was sitting in the arena for like 4 hours. No, okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's not talk about that. We lost. Whoa! Thank you sa pag-subscribe, Kuya Edge. What particularly do you miss in Korea? The food and the fine sights. No, I haven't been to Nagoya. We miss you. Oh, miss you too. I miss you guys. Oh wait, I like this song. Yeah, Pyeonwoo-seok. Well, kasi si Oppa, feeler. So pogi. Ganun yung mga type ko sa lalaki, guys. Mga Pyeonwoo-seok, yung matangkat. Ganun. Ang pogi niya talaga, guys. Like, kung di nyo kilala si Pyeonwoo-seok, what are you doing? Like, hello? Yeah, it's true. Wait, let's search actually. Pyeonwoo-seok. He's so tall. Anong height ni Pyeonwoo-seok? Can somebody search it? Bagal ng internet ko. So pogi. Like, this is Pyeonwoo-seok.
What if I told you that I'm falling?
Ay, sabi ko ma-zoom it. Yeah, that's Pyeonwoo-seok, guys. That's Pyeonwoo-seok. Oh my God. Siya yung nasa K-drama na Lovely Runner. So, what the heck is happening to my PC? Six 6'3". So tall. Thank you for searching, guys. Magaling ang tugtugan natin, guys. Oy, 11:26 na! usok. Siya ba yung punching bag? It's so much. Yes, I like Usok's height. Wala, kinalikib yun Usok. Baliw. Kasi he's so... Okay, enough. Change topic. Mag-open up kayo ng topic bago ako mag-end live. Ano yung lyrics nitong song na to? Ito pala. Mukha siyang golden retriever. Do you like golden retriever, guys? I feel like black cat guys are more... Ba yan? Lagi ko nape-press yung ano. No, I did not know that. Anong pareho na lang, Yas? Black cat, pero naging golden retriever, ganon. I wanna be a black cat. Oh, malapit na daw mag 11:30. How's school? Wag na po. Next question. School has been schooling. Talaga? Black cat yes! Talaga? Am I black cat energy? Thoughts sa lab prof natin. I actually like him. Cause like, he's been my prof for terms. Even in physics too, he was my lab prof. So I got him again. So, yeah. I mean, for me, he's okay. But, I don't know sa iba. But like for me, he's okay. Time I do wake up in this love hangover, so I'll never do it again. Wala pa kaming DYOE, guys. Next week na lang. So, yun. Yeah, he's chill sa lab. I'm not sure sa because I haven't, enrolled sa lecture class niya. But in lab, he's really chill and funny and fun. I actually enjoy physics lab sometimes because it's kind of fun. Malapit ka na graduate. Saan? Almost there. 11:31. Okay. Final call. 11:35. Omo. 11:35. Yeah, bro. It's okay. Next week na lang. Good night. 11:35, promise. May profs ka bang? Oo. Of course. And every time I do wake up with this love hangover. No, I won't stay up late. So, mag-comment na kayo dyan because I will end later. Yeah, I love Kuromi so much. Hindi pa ba halata? Nagana na ba? Ay, Magna na kao ng puso. Wala na ako, okay lang sa akin kahit di ako mag-honors. Like, at this point, at this point, I'm like so done. Like, I just wanna finish this and get it over with. Because it's colleging, so kung may Latin honors, sobrang Latina lang. Sobrang Latina. But like, you know, I just wanna finish school and, you know, kung hindi ako makinis, it's just the filter. But hindi ako makinis. Like, I have so much texture on my face. I don't know why. Like, it's insane. It's just, naka-makeup pa kasi ako, so. Good night, Chromie girl. Good night. What song is this? Keshi. $11:13 na. What else? No, but seriously, it's fine. I just want to finish college and like get this degree, and it won't matter anymore. I'm gonna get them all. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten pa pala. What should I eat? Ano yung Jollibee Clued? Oh, meron na ba? Cause like, I can do Jollibee actually. My program, I'm BS Psych. You love me, then you leave me in the pavement. I know I'm your favorite. Kogimyon. Familiar. Wait. Available na ba yung Sanrio Happy Meal? Ay, Happy Meal. Jollibee Toy Collab? Is it available? Kailan siya magiging available? Because I kinda want Jollibee. Kasi minsan, like, pag Friday, I like eating Jollibee because it's, like, such a comfort food for me. I don't know. Kayo din ba? Like, am I normal? Like, am I normal? I don't know. I know it's unhealthy, but, like, it's so good. Yeah, what if mag-Jollibee ako? Kailan ba siya magiging available? Do you guys know when? Actually, ayaw na kumain. March 1? So, pwede bang like later, 12 a.m., I'm gonna go to Jollibee and... Can I? Can I actually do that? If you love me, baby... What do you think? Feeling ko wala pa eh. But I want it now. Favorite. Oh wait. You get another plane, traveling far away. I think it's just a figure. You left me with a pain. It's just a figure. Oh, I wanted sana a plushie. Who do we think you are? Some kind of celebrity. It's just a figure. Cute nung Pochako. Ang cute na rin ng Kuro. I want the Kuromi one. Should I get? Should I try? What? It's a blind box? No! It's a blind box! Can I play the game with just for now? What? Grab this limited... Ay, hindi. Joke lang, OA. February 28, kanina, nag-drop pala siya, but in limited stores. Like, in Katipunan, in Pangasinan, in Batangas. What? But like, is it available later, 1 a.m., 12 a.m.? Because I will get it. Sana available na. If not, ano? Anyway, na-distract ako. I'm sorry, na-distract ako. Drought and famine. What's a kid's meal? Anong laman ng kid's meal? Has been around for me. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. Time to sleep. Will I go to Jollibee? I might. I'm considering. But it's not yet 12 a.m. So I think I should. I'll finish my work and then I'll eat. What do you think? Pag wala talaga sa Jollibee, masasad talaga ako. That's what if I get like... What if I get Hello Kitty or something? I'm serious. Actually, I'm already sleepy. Should I go to Jollibee and get my kids' meal? It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those eyes. Uy, si bro pala to eh. Hello. Kumusta na kayo, guys? Okay, guys. 11:40 na. Kailangan ko nang mag-rest. Pero inisip ko pa rin yung Jollibee talaga. So, mamaya, let's see. Pero feeling ko tatamarin na ako. Should I? Okay, guys. Palagi. Regular hours. So what if 24 hours? So like what if I like pop up at like 12 a.m. Would they have it? Technically March 1 na, 'di ba? March 1 na bukas, 'di ba? Yes, March 1 na. Joke lang, bakit ako mag-yes? What do you think? Should I risk it? I'll take some time. That I have days full of you. Before it winds down. What? The memory. Okay, alam ko na. I'll check in food, P or and if it's there, I will. Yeah. Okay. Bye everyone. Thank you for today. And take care. Be safe. Thanks for watching. Don't you love when I come around?